Hi, I'm Catherine Hughes.
And I'm Becky Goddard-Hill.
And we're the authors of a new nature book called A Year of Nature Walks and Games, which is packed with a whole year's worth of fun nature activities for kids to enjoy all year round.
There are so many benefits to getting kids in the great outdoors, playing and walking. These include mental health benefits. Getting kids out in nature has been proven to reduce any anxiety or depressive symptoms they might be experiencing. We're currently in a cost of living crisis and all these activities are free, which of course is a huge benefit. Accessible, nature is accessible, even if you live in the city or have a local park or maybe a canal that you can walk down or perhaps a garden. So it's right there on your doorstep. And really, these activities are fun. That's the most important thing.
Definitely.
They're good old-fashioned fun and really, really enjoyable. And they get kids off screens and exercising, which of course brings so many benefits. We'd like to share 4 of our favourite activities from the book with you now. Over to you,
Am I going to
Catherine.
go first?
Yeah.
So this is one of my favourites. Very hard to pick, but this is definitely up there. This is all about making a nature sound map. So you can do this when you're out on a walk. You can do it when kids are playing in the park. You could do it in your garden. It doesn't have to be very structured and planned. It's fantastic. Bit of paper. You draw yourself in the middle of it. You don't have to be the most amazing artist. This is all about tuning into what you can hear, not necessarily being great at drawing. So you find a quiet spot, try and focus a little bit, calm down, maybe close your eyes and listen to what nature is telling you around you. And when you hear something, you draw it on your paper, and it just has to be a representation, doesn't have to be amazing. So it might be leaves rustling, wind in the trees, it could be birds singing, it could be a car going past, because that might be happening. And then you build up this picture of nature all around you, and all of a sudden you realise you've tuned in to what's going on there. You've calmed down, and you may have learnt a little bit as well, and you can test the other people that you're with as well. Can they tell what your sounds were from your drawings?
It's a wonderful mindful activity. Worries just go away when you're concentrating, and building up kids' concentration skills is excellent.
Yeah.
Another lovely activity from the book is an autumn leaves walk. Such a beautiful time of year and very simple activity. Everyone on the walk has a stick and threads a leaf onto it. Everyone's stick will look different. You can display them in a vase when you get home, and it's loads of fun. You could also perhaps make a rainbow out of your leaves, which is a wonderful way to get kids running about finding leaves of lots of different colours.
And my other one is called Collect and Dissect. This works any time of year, but it's particularly brilliant in autumn. We've got it in the autumn section because obviously there are lots of nuts, pine cones, acorns, leaves, conkers, everything's going on in terms of fallen nature treasure that you can collect. While you're out on a walk or just playing outside, take it home, and then we've got some really clear instructions on how to dissect these things and take them apart and study them and understand a bit more about how nature works. So that's a little bit of science as well as a nice active game.
Gives a real purpose to kids going on a nature walk. They'll often tell you they think walking is really boring, but once you start to put these kind of games into the walk or these experiences, they suddenly think they're great fun.
Definitely.
My last activity to show you today, and we have 52 in the book, as Catherine said, but this is one of my absolute faves, is to make a kite. Make a kite simply out of sticks and newspaper, and we can testify this flew beautifully.
It very much did.
On our local park, and it's very, very cheap to make. Doesn't matter if it crashes, and is loads of fun. So there you go. Yeah. This book has so many ideas. They'll never, ever, ever want to stay inside again. You'll have kids begging you to take them on nature walks, and we really hope you have loads of fun as a whole family having a go at these.
Yeah, because it's good for everyone actually, isn't it?
Good for everyone.
It's not just the kids. So that's A Year of Nature Walks and Games, published by Collins, and it's out now.